Welcome back. Today we are tackling LeetCode problem 82, removing duplicates from a sorted list, version 2. This is a classic medium-level linked list problem that tests your ability to manage pointers effectively. Here is our goal. We are given a sorted linked list, like the one shown at the top. Notice that the number 3 and the number 5 appear multiple times. In this problem, our job is to completely remove any node that is part of a duplicate set. The output should only contain numbers that appeared exactly once in the original list. It is important to distinguish this from the easier version 1 of the problem. In version 1, you keep one copy of every number, so 1, 2, 3, 3, 4 becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. But in version 2, which we are solving today, if a number appears more than once, all instances of it are removed. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 4 becomes just 1, 2, 4. The 3's are gone entirely. A tricky edge case arises when the duplicates are at the very beginning of the list, like 1, 1, 2. This would mean the head of the list itself needs to change. To handle this gracefully without writing messy conditional logic, we create a dummy or Sentinel node. This dummy node points to the head, giving us a stable anchor that never changes. We will use 2 pointers. The first is prev, or previous, which starts at our dummy node. The second is head, which will act as our scanner to traverse the list. Prev will always track the last known distinct node, while head scouts ahead to find duplicates. As we iterate, we compare the value of the current head node with the value of the next node. If they are the same, like the 2 3's shown here, we know we have hit a sequence of duplicates. This signals that we need to enter a skipping loop. Once we detect a duplicate, we keep moving the head pointer forward as long as the values continue to match. When the loop finishes, head will be at the last duplicate node. We then wire the next pointer of our prev node to point to head next. This effectively bypasses the entire group of duplicates in one go. On the other hand, if head value is not equal to head next value, we know that the head node is unique. In this safe case, we simply move our prev pointer forward to the head, effectively locking it in as part of our final list. In both cases, we always advance the head pointer to continue the scan. Here is the complete solution in Python. We initialize the dummy node and our pointers, the outer while loop traverses the list. Inside, we check for duplicates. If found, the inner while loop skips them and we update the previous pointer's link. If not found, we just advance the previous pointer. Finally, we return dummy.next. This algorithm is efficient. The time complexity is big O of n because we traverse the list exactly once. The space complexity is big O of 1, or constant space, since we only use a few pointers and do not allocate any new data structures.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.